Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, we will look at some of the hard-folding tri-fold tonneau covers on the market right now. I compiled this list based on my own research, and I ranked them according to price, quality, durability, and much more. For further information and updated price, you can check the link in description box below. So, let's get started. Starting at BAKFLIP MX4 hard-folding truck bed tonneau cover. It's hard to argue that any hard-folding tonneau cover is better than the BAKFLIP MX4. The decision to crown it with the title of best overall is primarily based on the ability to uncover the entire bed as needed. Unlike many others, all panels can lift up and out of the way, eliminating the need to remove the cover altogether to transport large cargo, and that's still something of a game-changer there is to like. Though, it's also made from aluminum to provide the best mix of weight savings and security and is backed by a 5-year warranty. As for the downsides, it is one of the costliest options out there. Despite that, there are far too many reports of quality control issues to ignore. Now our second option is DNA motoring hard tri-fold tonneau cover. There's no question that hard-folding covers are often priced out of budget for truck owners, which is why DNA motoring is an obvious candidate for many. At roughly half the price of the bigger name brands, it's a hard-folding cover that does many things well. The aluminum panels offer the structural rigidity you demand. It's easy to install and doesn't look half bad. And no, it's not overly cumbersome with a weight of just 70 pounds. While it's good, it's certainly not the best. It does block the stake pocket holes, which can cause some considerable issues, namely preventing the use of bed rails and other accessories. Also, it is apparent that quality can see improvements, especially when it comes to the seals, creating some fitment issues. Now number 3 is BAKFLIP G2 hard-folding truck bed tonneau cover. BAK is back at it, but this time the BAKFLIP G2. This is an affordable alternative to those that want the legendary function without going too high in price. This cover features 3 panels, all of which can be flipped up to provide access to the entire bed. It does not impede the stake pockets, and the low-profile design provides that sleek look many truck owners desire. Of course, it is backed with a 5-year warranty to provide peace of mind when investing a considerable amount of money in a tonneau cover. Unfortunately, this too is stricken with quality control issues and may report that leaks are the primary consequence of manufacturer defects. Furthermore, there are some reports of an imperfect seal toward the tailgate on some trucks, making it worth double-checking the fit for your exact make and model. Our next choice is Mopper hard-folding tonneau cover. Ram owners that prefer the OE will have no other choice than to roll with Mopper. Obviously, the fit and finish is going to be ideal for Ram trucks, but that's not all that's good about this setup. This hard cover is designed to leave the stake pockets wide open and will flip out of the way to expose the entire bed. It's also very easy to install, with no drilling required, and the use of aluminum makes for a lightweight package that won't bog that Hemi down. As for the drawbacks, the premium price tag is something that will drive many Ram owners elsewhere. That said, it is limited to solely Ram trucks and its limited application coverage does hold it back from ranking any higher. Now our last choice is EXTANG Solid Fold 2.0 hard-folding tonneau cover. EXTANG is one of the leading names in this industry, so it's no surprise to see the Solid Fold 2.0 as a top pick. Ease of installation is something many appreciate about this cover, but that hardly separates it from any of the other top offerings. That said, it's the versatility that makes it stand out. This cover can come in configurations that allow the use of toolboxes, headache racks, and more. A solid 3-year warranty also backs it to protect you from anything that may have gone wrong during production. Unfortunately, the use of accessories mounted to the front of the bed is all it will work with. This cover does block the stake pocket holes. It's my pleasure to share this video with you. I hope you enjoyed this honest review based on real customer feedback and hours of research. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this content helpful. Hit the bell icon to get a notification as soon as I publish more videos. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions regarding these products. I will be in touch with you as soon as possible.